So any e-commerce portal to browse easily and fast and easily captured by your screen to purchase your product. To using option is called cloud hosting. Cloud hosting will be two types. One is Amazon Web Service and the Digital Ocean. So most of the people for cloud is preferable by the Amazon Web Services. Any Amazon Web Services, so they give discount by here right now. Now coming to your price, 512 MB RAM, 20 GB hard disk, 512 GB data transfer. The charges will be 487.50 paisa. Next month onwards, 650. So I'm selecting for my coupon. Copy. Last package. 32 GB, 640 GB hard disk, 3.5 TB data transfer, 16,200. Last will provide for 21,600. This will be price will be fixed. We'll go for buy now. And we can purchase for any cloud and dedicated will purchase up to 1 year. Cloud and dedicated. So we set by 1 year. I'll add by the coupon. It will be invalid. Reason is called any coupon will be eligible by the first month only. This is the when you purchase the first month will be eligible. So that is called when selecting for first month. How much? 21,600 per month. So after coupon applicable, this will be 19,116. Why? Because they give only for 25% discount. And the one question is there. So my space is only for 640 GB and 30 GB hard disk. Suddenly my space and my bandwidth will be finished. Automatically, the asking one question can increase the bandwidth and the space. You can click for yes, automatically the space and bandwidth will be increased and charges will be applicable. This is only for monthly charges. Compare with the total 5 servers, shared, reseller, and WordPress, and dedicated and cloud. More expensive is the dedicated, second will expensive is the cloud. After that, expensive is the reseller, after WordPress, after shared host. But dedicated and cloud will be purchased only for particular one website to using by hosting. So that is the space. So based on the country, you can purchase by your hosting. And any kind of purchase by hosting will be two platforms, Windows and Linux. Compare the Linux, Windows will be little bit higher price. Compare the Linux, Windows will be little bit higher price. You can see for Linux 487 rupees. 512 RAM, 30 GB hard disk, 512 GB data transfer per month. Compare Linux, Windows will be little bit higher price. So this is will purchased by the cloud and dedicated type hosting. Any one question is called how we can purchase by the dedicated and cloud. It will be applicable by the 1 year, but any coupon will be support for first month only, and will support only for particular one website. There will be supported by two platforms, Linux and Windows. Compare with the Linux, Windows price will be higher. Please note down.